Hey friends, so in this video I'll run you through this amazing AI video generator which will help you create animation videos, explainer videos, 3D animation videos, motion graphic videos very easily. In this video specifically, I'm going to show you how you can generate cartoon animation videos and explainer videos for your business, for your products and services very easily using this platform. So let's dive in and take this forward. Hey friends, hi. So let's check out how quickly you can create an animation explainer video with character animations in like 10 to 15 minutes in this software. So I'll run you through the entire flow. First things first, I've generated a script on ChatGPT wherein I have given the prompt, generate a 5-minute script on how video marketing can benefit businesses. So we'll create a video on this in this particular, I'll show you how it works out. So once I've got the script, I go into my software right here and I select the template which is I'll select this explainer video toolkit. So they have over 600 scenes in this, all done up for you. So I select this for this video. I hit on create now. Yeah, I'll take you to the edit line now. So now we will generate the script that we have generated on ChatGPT. We will copy this script into the editor. So I'll click on this type your story and I put in the script, right? I say generate project. So there we go. It has created 27 scenes will be generated. I hit generate project and will take you to the timeline. So let me just, for the sake of this video, I've already done that. Let me just take you to the video, the edit line. So here we are. We have all the 27 scenes got generated by the AI engine. It's all ready with all the character animation and everything done. So all we have to do is do a little bit of edit with the text and take this to the next level. So I'll just show you in a bit in next clip. Yes. So as I showed you, this entire timeline is ready. All the 27 scenes are ready with all the animations pre-done, and the script that was generated in ChatGPT, it's all there with all the scenes in the text form. Next, we can just go to the music section, and we can select. We can even put the voiceover. Putting the voiceover is very simple. All you have to do is click on text to speech, put in the text that has been generated over here, and say generate, and the audio will be generated in no time. So if I were to show you how it sounds.
Are you a business owner looking to take your marketing strategy to the next level?
Right, so that's text to speech that I've used this tool to generate the voiceover. So that's done. So I go back to the edit. Likewise, I've generated the audio, the voice for all the scenes, and it's all ready now. And all I have to do next is go to preview and select HD export and hit the render. I'll show you in the next clip how the video has turned out. Hey friends, hi. So our video is ready. Let me play this for you.
Hi there. Are you a business owner looking to take your marketing strategy to the next level? Video marketing has become an essential tool for businesses of all sizes.
The entire video, which is about 2 minutes and 15 seconds, got ready in about 15 minutes time. So all I did was generate the script on ChatGPT, get it in the software, use one of the templates. All the scenes were generated using text to speech. I had my voiceover done. So everything got done with this AI video generated in about 15 minutes. It's an amazing software. I've given the link to this software in the description. Sign up for free and get started. I'll see you sometime very soon in the next video. Thanks. Bye.